Hello my dear students. In this video let's continue with the problem solving with AI. That means in the last video we studied we just seen there are 5 steps are required to solve a problem. So let's study it in detail. The first one is goal formulation. Problem solving is about having a goal that want to reach. It organizes the steps required to formulate one goal out of multiple goals as well as actions to achieve that goal. Means this goal formulation is the first and simplest step in problem solving. The problem solving is main aim is to solve a problem with the desired output. Means in order to have a desired output it must formulate one objective. Okay, so in order to find out one objective out of multiple goals it go through different steps. Then after selecting the one goal it takes actions to achieve that goal. Goal formulation it's mainly based on current situation and the agent's performance measured. Next one, that is a problem formulation. This problem formulation is the most important step of problem solving. It decides what actions should be taken to achieve the formulated goal. Means what are the steps, what are the techniques, what are the procedures to be followed in order to get the in order to achieve the formulated goal, or in order to get the desired output. It follows some actions and the procedures. And this problem formulation means it defines the problem in detail. This problem is defined by some key elements. So there are state space, initial state, goal state, action, transition model and path cost. These are the some elements which define the problem. Let's see what it means. The first one is state. A state is a representation of elements at a given moment. That means, for example, in this structure, here, see, here it is a node and it is a D. It is our objective, means it is a initial state, it is a starting stage, and D, it is our goal. Okay, our goal. In order to reach the goal from initial stage, there are three alternatives we get. Okay, here what this node is we call that is a state. Means each element is called as a state. This node is called as state. Then next one, state space. State space means what? It is a set of all states which can be reached from the initial state followed by any sequence of actions. Means here it shows all the alternatives to reach the goal, that is a state space. Here there are three alternatives are there. First alternative, then this is the second alternative and third alternative. This include all the states, right? This, it is a state, it is also state, it is also state. Means what are the different alternatives are there to reach goal, that is a state space. If the entire state space representation of a problem is given, it is possible to trace the path from the initial state to the goal state, and also it helps to identify the sequence of operators necessary for doing it. Then next one is initial state. Initial state is nothing but the starting point. That means it is the state from which our agents start the solving the problem. That is the initial state. Here A is the initial state. Then next one is a goal state. Goal state means it is a solution to the problem. A state which gives the solution to the problem. Here in this diagram D, it is a goal state. Then actions. Actions means what? It is the description of the possible actions available to the agent. That means it explains the what are the actions that agent can get to reach a goal. That is the actions. Then transition model means it also same as action, but it describes each action that can be done. That is a transition model. Then path means what? In order to reach from it which connect the each node, means from a to this node, this linking and to reach a goal state, this is called we path. Okay, this is the path cost. Path cost means what? It assigns a numeric cost to each path that follows the goal, means how many steps are required to reach a goal. That is a path cost. For consider here, this is the first, let's take this is a first path. How many steps are required to reach goal? Here 1 2 3, means within 3 value, means 3 steps we can reach our goal. And next take second alternative, that is how many steps are required? 1 2, within 2 values, within 2 steps we can reach the goal. And another one, how many? 1 2 3 4, there are 4 steps are required to reach goal. So this value we call as a path cost. 3 to 4 means the number of steps required to reach a goal, that is a path cost. So next one, after formulating the problem, next problem solving agent go for the searching for solution, means finding the solution. Search refers to the search for a solution in a problem space, means finding a solution in a problem space. Problem space is nothing but the state space. Search can be defined as the process of solving problem by using the rules in combination with an appropriate control strategy to move through the problem space until a path from an initial state to a goal state is found. That means the search, it follows the rules and control strategy to solve a problem, and it continue the searching up to when it reach the goal state, means up to it find a correct solution to the problem, it go on searching. That is a search. Search is fundamental to the problem solving process, means it is also one of the important part of the problem solving. Search uses search strategy to describe a solution for a given problem. Then what do you mean by search strategy? Search strategy means for solving different kinds of problem, an agent make use of different strategies to reach the goal by searching the best possible algorithm. This process of searching is known as search strategy. This search strategy has two forms. One is uninformed search and informed search. First one, uninformed search. This type of search, that means here in uninformed search, it uses only the problem definition, means what are the information given in the problem, that only it uses, other than that it won't use. That is uninformed search. It also have different names, different searches: breadth first search, uniform cost, iterative deepening search, depth first search, depth limited search, and bidirectional search. This is about uninformed search. Informed search, that means this type of search strategy contains some additional information about the states beyond the problem definition. That means it uses the information that is given in problem, also it uses some other information to find out the solution. This informed search, it has some types like best first search, A asterisk search, AO asterisk search. This is about the searching strategy. Then problem solution. Solution to an AI problem involves performing an action to go to one proper state among numerous possible states of agents. That means a problem solution means it has to compare the different alternatives available to the problem solving agent, and out of that it has to select one best solution to. In a state space, a solution is a path from the initial state to a goal state. That means it shows from initial state to goal state what are the steps are required. That is a problem solution. Then a solution cost function assigns the numeric cost to each path, means number of steps are required to reach a goal state. That is a solution cost. A solution quality is measured by the path cost function, means the solution is depends upon the number of it's depend upon the cost of a path. Then an optimal solution has the lowest path cost among all solution, means you have to compare the cost or number of steps of alternative paths. Out of that, which path has a less number of steps, that is called as a optimal solution. That is about a problem solution. Then execution, it executes the best optimal solution from the searching algorithms to reach the goal state from the initial state, means it select the best and optimal solution to a problem. That is a, and it takes action to execute it. That is a execution. Then measuring problem solving performance, means there are different four ways to measure the performance of a problem. The first one is completeness, means it measures if the algorithm guarantees to find a solution. Then optimality, optimality means it measures if the strategy searches for an optimal solution. Time complexity means the time taken by the algorithm to find a solution. Then space complexity means amount of memory required to perform a search. That is these are the four ways to measure the performance. Then next one, problem approaches. There are two problem approaches. First one is toy problem. It is a conscious and exact description of the problem which is used by the researchers to compare the performance of algorithm. That means it uses the correct description and exact information of the problem and compare it to evaluate the performance. That is a toy problem. The example is 8 puzzle problem, 8 queens problem, etc. Then real world problem, it does not depend on description but can general formulation of the problem. That means it does not uses the exact description of the problem, but it uses generally it compare the problem solutions, means it usually it take the general information and then it evaluate the performance of the problem solving agent. That is a real world problems. The example is a traveling salesperson problem. So this is about the nature of a business problem solving using AI. Thank you.